All right. Good afternoon, Bucks. We're going to talk about homework number. Well, I've lost count. I don't know what homework this is. Homework number 5? Yeah, homework number 5, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is homework number 5. All right. Now, it says some, but not all, of these representations in each set the situation described. Answer the questions for each problem. Does the algebraic rule match the situation? Yes, no, explain. Well, here's the algebraic rule. Here is the situation. Does it match? A store is having a sale. Every item in the store costs $2, right? And you get to subtract $1 from your total bill, right? So every item, right? Every item in the store is $2, right? $2 per item. $2 per item, right? And you also get to in the very end you get to minus, right? Now I'll spell minus. Let's see. M-I-N-U-S. Minus $1 from your total bill, right? That's a dollar. Right? You also get to minus $1 from your total bill, and that's a good bonus right there. So $2 per item plus you get to minus $1 from whatever your total bill is. Looking at this rule, what do you think? $2 per item minus $1. Does this rule say that? Yes or no? Answer. Okay, moving on. Let's clear this, do the newest one. Does the table match the situation? Here is your table, here is your situation. Same old story. Every item costs $2, right? $2 per item. And you get to minus, right? Subtract $1 in the end, right? From whatever your total is. So if I buy one item, don't forget, every item costs $2. So that's 2 minus 1, right? Excuse me, 2 times 1, beg your pardon, 2 times 1, right? Then minus $1 from the total bill. That is equal to 1. So it worked out. Check out. Now, just because one works doesn't mean it works. It has to work for all of them for that table to be correct. So let me try next one. 2 times, this time we're going to buy 2 items. If I buy 2 items, that's $2 per item. So 2 times 2 means it's $4. You got a $4 bill, but you get to minus $1 from your bill. Don't know why, but it just says you get to subtract $1 from your bill. All right, so 4 minus 1, it is 3. It worked out again. All right, you try the last one. All right, you try 6 and 11. Does it work out? If it's checks, then that's it. That means the answer will be yes. If it's wrong, then the answer will be no. Just check it out, see for yourself, is it yes or is it no? All right, based upon that last one, if the 6 and 11 works, then you got yourself a little something. Last but not least, does the graph match the situation? Yes or no? Well, that's kind of easy. $2 per item minus $1, right? Let's see here. They say one item costs $2. 2 items cost $4. 3 items cost $6. 4 items cost $8. That makes sense because it's $2 per item, but they're forgetting something. What are they forgetting, guys? They forgot to do something. Yes, for one item, it's 2. For 2 items, it's 4. For 3 items, it's 6. The only problem is it's not if I'm buying like 2 items, yeah, it'll be $4, but they're forgetting to subtract the 1. Subtract $1 off my total bill. It says that's what I get to do. I get to subtract $1 off whatever I buy total in there. So if I buy 50 bucks of stuff, then hey, guess what? In the end, it's going to cost me 49 because I get to subtract 1. So, yes or no, guys? Answer it again. All right, keeping going. Here we go. Situation. Bananas sell for 60 cents a pound per pound. Algebraic rule table and so on. Does the rule match the situation? Check it out for yourself. Bananas sell for 60 cents per pound. I'm going to go ahead and just tell you right now, Yes, that is true, guys. This algebraic equation is clear. 60 cents times the amount of pounds you're going to buy. Why? Right there. Perfectly, perfectly. Right? It just matches perfect. Now, I want you, right? You do numbers, both of these, right? Do both of them. You do them. Got it? Try it out. I think you can match it. Match the graph, match the so on. You can do them. Try it out. Moving on. Back page. Let's see here. Whenever water comes into contact with heated underground rocks, interesting, a geothermal energy is generated. The underground temperature of the rocks depends on the rock's depth below the surface. The temperature T, right, there's something finally, something important, I was wondering. The temperature T in degrees is Celsius estimated by the algebraic rule. So we know that T stands for temperature. But they still didn't say what D stands for. D is the depth of the rocks. So D is the depth of the rocks. T is the temperature of the following. Let's see, honestly, I don't even know if we really needed this. It just says complete the table for this algebraic rule. Note they already did one. I mean, gosh, this is too easy then. All you gotta do is finish the rule. 35 times what plus 20? Then 35 times what plus 20? Then 35 times what plus 20? Hint, hint, hint. Just grab these numbers and just start sticking them over there, you know? And then we do 3, then we do 5, and then keep on doing the rest. What do I get? You know, really, really easy. And I think you could do the graph. That's no problem. Use your table and or graph to help you answer the following questions. Explains how you found your answers. Find the temperature of the rocks at the depth of 3 kilometers. Oh, wow. Really? Guys, to answer this one, bam, right there. Whatever you work it out, that will tell you your answer. So no problem. That's too easy. Find the depth in temperature of the rocks is at 195. Ooh, that's going to be interesting. Yeah, because I don't know which one of these says 195. Maybe one of these might say 195 already. Maybe it might be a decimal. I don't know. But here's a good shortcut. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. It said that the rule is this, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that down again, just right here, so I could just look at it. Well, now let me write it down there. I'm going to put it over there. It was extend page. P equals 35D plus 20. I think, I hope. Yes, it is. Okay. T equals 35D plus 20. That's our problem, right? It's saying if the temperature is 195, right, that means it's going to go into this letter, not D, right? Don't put it in D, right? Don't put it in D because 195 is the temperature, T. So now it's 195 is equal to 35 times some number plus 20. What is D, right? What is D? What times 35 plus 20 equals 195? Figure it out. That's one way. Or, who knows, the answer just might end up on the table. Who knows? Okay, last problem. Create a tabular and algebraic representation of the information shown below. Oh wow, this is like too easy. Maybe except for the rule. That might be a little challenging right there. Well, pretty simple. This says 2 is 10, right? 2 is 10. So I'm going to put down, well, 1, I'm not exactly sure what 1 is. Look like it's going to be 5, but just in case, I'm just going to write 2 is 10, right? 4 is definitely 20, right? What's 1? What's 3? What's 5? I think y'all could do that. The process, it seems to me like it's just being multiplied by number here. What is it doing? To go from 2 to 10, what did it do? To go from 4 to 20, we're doing something. I'll give you a hint. You're multiplying by a number. All right, you're multiplying by a number. To do the process for every single one of these, it's being multiplied a number. Something times 1, something times 2, something times 3, something times 4, something times 5. Every number is being multiplied by something here, right? And in the end, if I put x here, what are you going to put right here? And also, that's going to equal your y in the end. Don't forget, whatever's right here, All right, whatever you get. Don't forget, this is not done. You got to put a number here. Something times 1 is, well, I'm thinking it's 5. Something times 1 is 15. This is 25. Finish it off. Um, something times 1 is 5. Something times 2 is 10. Something times 3 is 15. I think you could know what number goes here. Put a number there. And once you do, what if I say x? Then it'll be that number times basically x. Now equal your y. Once you get that, just basically write it right here. That's your rule for the table. And you are done, guys. All right, guys, hope this was helpful. Sorry I was talking fast. But, you know, that's what the rewind button's for. You have a good one.